Meaning of I. A. Richards.
I. A. Richards.
I. A. Richards.
I. A. Richards.
I. A. Richards. I. A. Richards was a prominent literary critic, philosopher, and rhetorician in the early 20th century. He is best known for his contributions to the field of literary criticism, particularly his emphasis on close reading and his method of analyzing the connotations of words. Richards believed that language was at the core of human experience and that proper use of language could lead to a more fulfilled life. His ideas had a significant impact on literary studies and continue to influence contemporary critical theory. Overall, I. A. Richards was a key figure in shaping modern approaches to understanding literature and language.